Hey YouTube, what's up? Piketail here. Just got my stuff in from evike.com. My new mecha box, gas tube, batteries for my scope. So, yeah, I'm gonna show you I'll show you the scope first, and the package, and then paper. Yeah. So, there it is. And I'll just set this here. Cloth to clean the lens. I don't know if you can see through or not. And then the rail for it.
Yeah, I guess I should keep hanging on to these. If I'm careful, I can walk downstairs.
Yeah, if you're careful.
I don't have to 1 foot it, I can walk it.
Alright, so here's the scope. evike.com, $65. That's not the red dot, that's just the light. And then you can see the reflection, can't even hardly see through. So that's the scope, and then the other rail for it, and then that cloth clean lens. Batteries for it, which I got, gas tube, and then the mecha box. Because I needed to get a new gearbox, I just got a whole new one. Oh yeah, they say it's lipo already, so that's that. I'm gonna have to take this apart and see everything is greased up and put in properly. I might put in I'm gonna leave the spring in because my other spring is just, well, the battery I have just makes it too slow. I wanted to get a lipo, but I said F that. So packaging. So yeah, I guess that's about it. I'll make another review when my gun is being put back together on that table, and I will talk to you guys later. Peace.